Live Action Music presents to you a DIY video, how to stone coat a desk. For our detailed material list, please check the description box below. For this desk, our base coat's gonna be black. Gotta get that color popping, you know what I'm talking about. We have our A and B mix here. Gotta make sure that you pour it. It's real easy, 1-to-1. 1-to-1 ratio on that mix. Gotta make sure that you measure it out. You don't want a little too much hardener there to pop off on you a little too fast. Using these nice clear containers to put the mix in so you know exactly what you got going. Gotta get that old Milwaukee Drill out. At least 120 seconds, 2 minutes. 2 minutes of mixing time. Need to get the good activation going. Gotta spin the excess off. You can see here that I'm pouring my material out in plastic cups. That way I can see the color that I want to use and pour on that desk. So we're gonna be doing a little white here right now. Kind of spray it around, get the feel for it. You'll get it. This is what you want to do. This is your desk, this is your idea. We're gonna be mixing our main colors into the cups. Got maybe a little 5 to 10 second spray there going on. You know, maybe a little bit more, a little less, kind of depends on what color you're looking for. Yeah, right now we're doing the aluminum. I'm real excited about this. So yeah, we're gonna be spraying a little red on here. We got a little red and black theme going on with the desk, as you can see. So, you know, again, kind of mixing those colors up. The white pops it off real nice. Make sure you kind of cover up them blemishes, you know, when you're sanding down. So now that we finished spraying, I'm gonna be dumping my metallic on here. I really love this color. Gonna use it on a couple more projects that I have coming up. So pour that onto the sides there. Doesn't really matter. A couple inches away from the edge, maybe inch thick or so. Again, it's whatever you prefer. Kind of just drizzling it out here and having fun with it, and probably, yeah, just gonna dump the cup right there. Let the rest of it drain out. Get my white going here. Make sure it's nice and mixed. Now, yeah, that's right. See that black glitter in there? That's gonna really pop it off. I'm gonna be pouring a little black in the clear as well. Gotta make sure you mix that glitter up. You don't want any clumps. There we go, get a nice mix in there. Look at that, popping it off, baby. Here we go with the white. I'm gonna be mixing the white and the silver up. Hey, yeah, just dump it in, just dump the cup, who cares? Gonna be starting to chop those colors together. Again, just mixing them up. Wanna try to leave the center bare right now. That's where the red and black's gonna be coming in real soon. You'll see that. It's a cloudy day. The space, it kind of depends. I left about 3 inches there, 4 inches. Gonna be pouring the black with the glitter mix here up here in a minute. Just kind of spreading it around, trying to get a feel for it. Again, you gotta keep on continuing to blend those colors in. If you want a little bit more color, spray it in there. Not a problem. Boom, with the black in there. You see how that kind of, we're chopping it up? Don't worry, yeah, there we go. We gotta get that flame on, baby. What that does is it takes out any of the little air bubbles that are in there. It kind of blends everything together. I guess the correct term for all the college-educated folks is that emulsifies with the surrounding areas, and so therefore we have a good blend with our material. So anyway, getting back to the real world here, just got to keep on flaming it out. You can see that we're keep on chopping. Just kind of take all that stuff out of there. Maybe you're mixing a little thin in with the fat stuff over there. Got to get that right mix, that right choppity chop chop. Keep on flaming it out. Doing good. I love it. We're gonna add a little silver in this hill there, Hills, into the red mix. Again, you got to make sure that you stir it up real nice. You don't want no clumps. No clumps. Here we go. You ready? Oh my goodness, there it goes. Beautiful. Again, your design, your board, your desk, you do what you want. I just wanted to get a little wave action going on. Here comes the black. Nice. Right there on the top, and we're about to cross it. Crossed it up right there. Getting a little crazy. Use a paint stick to even out the areas that you want. Chop it in there. You want to use more glitter? Boom, I do. Thank you. Oh, look at that. And it doesn't matter. You can use as much glitter as you want. Put it on however you want. It doesn't matter. Have fun with it. This is your project. You have fun with it. Kind of cleaning up the edges now and cleaning it up, baby. Again, you kind of got to do this every so often. Hey, thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Special thanks. Live action music, Hanford Santa Gravel, and Stone Coat Countertops. Thank you. Bye-bye.